Hi everyone, welcome back to Apps Academy. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to change your Plex profile visibility. Plex allows you to manage your profile visibility for friends, family, and shared server users. You can make your profile public, private, or visible only to certain people. So here's how you can do it. First of all, open the Plex application on your smartphone or a tablet and log in. Once you're logged into your account, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the home screen, and in the expanded menu, click on Settings. After you open up the Settings option, look for the Account button at the top, and you'll then be able to see Manage Profile Privacy button. Tap on it, and on the next page, right under Choose Who Can Find You and Friend You, click on My Account Visibility, and now choose whether people can find your account when searching for you on Plex or viewing someone else's follow list. If you want your profile to be public, make sure to tap on Anyone. If you want your profile to be visible to anyone signed into Plex, you can select the second option. If you want to limit your profile visibility to your friends of friends, select Friends of Friends, and similarly, if you want your profile to be visible to only your friends that you've added, click on Friends Only. After you make your selection, you'll then be able to change your profile visibility according to your preference. Now you know how to change your Plex profile visibility to make your activity public, private, or friends only. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.